Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Today I'm talking about the ammo I have for my 22 bolt action rifle. I will first talk about the bullets and then the prices from where I bought them. I bought them all from Fin and Feather, which is in Iowa City. Starting from the bottom right is the Fiocchi. Hold on, let me find something to point at it. Fiocchi. It's a 40 grain subsonic round that I bought at $4.99 for a box of 50 rounds. It is a hollow point, although to me it doesn't really look like it. What else? It doesn't say the FPS on the box, but according to Midway USA, it's 1050 FPS. Next up, we have the CCI Quiet 22. It too is 40 grains at $4.99, $4.99. It comes in at 710 FPS, which it would save this or something. Right there, 710. You probably can't see that, so I don't think it matters. I had another box, but I already shot it all. It's really quiet. My friend said it sounded like a BB gun. And next up is the American Eagle. High velocity, 38 grain, copper plated bullet. Comes at 1280 FPS, or feet per second, you know. It costs $3.99 for a 40 pack. The only 40 pack I own. It's actually a really good deal, I guess. Next up is, I don't know how to pronounce some of these, so the Arguella, is a super extra, or Arguella super extra, standard velocity, 40 grains for a $4.99 at a FPS of 1135. Another Arguella is I own is the Interceptor. Interceptor, right here, if I can stop knocking my camera over. It's $7.99. It is also 40 grains for an FPS of, see here, 1470? 1470, I guess. I don't know how you say it. Up next is the Remington Golden Bullet. Costs $9.99, is a high velocity 100 count at 40 grains, 1017 FPS at 100 yards. It actually says on the back of it, which I'm not going to show you. You can buy it yourself, but anyways. To the left is the Winchester. Winchester PowerPoint Mac, 42 Max, which as the name suggests, 42 grains. You get 1320 feet per second at $6.99. It's 50. Most of these boxes are 50, except for this one and this one. So that'd be the Eagle and the Remington. Where was I? To the left, next one to the left is the Gecko 22 LR Semi-Auto. It's at 649. The FPS comes in at 1083. To the far left is the German made rifle match at $9.99 has an FPS of 1065. All the way up at the top right, I have no idea how to pronounce that, so it's like Folier or something. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. I can show you the box in a second. Where is that? 38 grains, high velocity bullet, comes in at $6.99 for 50 of them. Last is the Arguella Super Maximum Hyper Velocity. You get 30 grains and 1080 feet per second for $5.99. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the whatever it's called, the bullets themselves. Hold on. First we'll move this guy out of the way so you can see. Let me see here. Yeah, I have no idea how to pronounce that. But, yeah. So, we'll go kinda, backwards now. Or, let's see here. So the Aguila Interceptor, copper plated bullet, hollow point. I think some of them are. And then we have the one next to that, it's the box that I already showed you. Which I kinda like the back of this one. Looks like there's a little dimple. Right over the Remington Golden Bullet. Let's see why